Welcome to Akriti Designs, shape your dreams. Please subscribe to our channel and enable the bell icon for notification. Don't forget to like and share.
Let's see how digital lock works in general. It has a LED or LCD touchscreen display, a card reader, camera, IR emitter and receiver. It has a mechanical key as well. These locks are powered by batteries. These types of locks has no risk of losing key and it has self-locking protection too. Different types of digital locks are available with different options. There is 3 type of electronic digital locks are there. Electronic keypad, biometric and smart cards. Electronic keypad, just enter code to gain access. Biometric digital locks uses fingerprint and face recognition. Depending on the model chosen, digital door locks can be installed on a range of doors. Wooden doors, aluminum and glass doors, UPVC doors. Through this video let's see some varieties in digital locks.
Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching.